In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send voice messages on your iPhone here within iMessage. So here we are within iMessage. I'm going to go ahead and start a new conversation or go into a current conversation that you have. Once you're within the conversation, go ahead and tap into the box there where you normally would type your message, and you'll see an addition symbol or plus symbol right next to where you would type your message. Tap that there and select audio. You may have to scroll down, but it just says audio. Tap into audio. And when you do that, it will begin recording your voice message. So as I'm talking here, you can see the WAV file is recording. When you are done recording, and you can record as long as you want, you can go ahead and tap the stop button there. So it will stop that recording. You can play it back by tapping the play button here just to check it before you send it, like I'm doing here. And you can pause it as you normally would. And it'll tell you the duration of the recording in minutes and seconds there to the right. And then when you're ready to send, you just tap the arrow there to send the message, and that will send that audio message that they can just go ahead and tap play on and listen to as opposed to read. So this is good for people that drive a lot, and it's just a great way to dump ideas or thoughts when you are having communications via text message on your iPhone. If you have any questions about doing this, please put them in the comment section down below. Share if it helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.